Welcome to Zohan Learning Network. When the girl grew up. Once in a small town there was a girl named Meera. From a young age she was curious about the world. She loved asking questions, reading books and imagining herself doing great things. But in her town, people often told girls, you don't need to dream big. Stay at home and help with the chores. Mia did not listen. She worked hard in school and was always eager to learn. Her teachers noticed her dedication and encouraged her. When she grew older, she received a scholarship to study in the city. It was her first time leaving her town, and many people doubted her. A girl should not live alone in a big city, they said. But Meera was determined. She faced challenges, missing her family, learning to manage her time, and overcoming the fear of failure. Yet she never gave up. After years of hard work, Meera became a doctor. When she returned to her town, she was welcomed as a hero. She opened a small clinic and helped the people who once doubted her. Meera proved that when a girl grows up with courage, education, and determination, she can achieve anything. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.